Fuel functions. Located in the instrument cluster, this gauge indicates the approximate fuel level in the tank. This warning is displayed when the fuel level is low. Refuel as soon as practical. You'll see an arrow next to the fuel pump icon that indicates on which side of your vehicle the fuel filler door is located. Your fuel filler door unlocks when you unlock the vehicle and is opened by a push and release motion. The fuel filler cap is a ratcheting type. To remove the cap, turn it counterclockwise. Put the cap in the holder on the fuel filler door while you are refueling. After fueling, turn the cap clockwise until a single click is heard, indicating that it is locked in place. Then close the fuel filler door securely. Failure to properly tighten the fuel filler cap may cause the malfunction indicator light to illuminate. If this occurs, exit the vehicle and reinsert the fuel filler cap straight into the fuel filler tube. Turn the fuel filler cap clockwise and tighten it until a single click is heard. The light should turn off after a few driving trips. If you have taken the appropriate steps and the indicator light does not turn off, please see your GTR certified Nissan dealer for further assistance.